Myself Yoganand, myself Yoganand. We are going to explain about my topic is explain loop with a variable number of iteration. Now I am going to explain loop with a variable number of iteration. A for loop is made up of a collection, a loop variable, and a body. The collection 2, 3, 5 is what the loop is being run on. The body print the number specifies what to do for each value in the collection. What is the variable of loop? A variable that is set in order to execute some iterations of a for loop other live structure. Loop variables are evaluated every time that the loop is iterated and so can change their value for every output row. Iterations. Every time a loop is called, control go to the conditional statement of a loop, check whether it is true or not. With each iteration, the loop increments n and adds that value to x. What are definite iterations? When a program needs to iterate a set number of times, this is known as count controlled iteration or definite iteration and makes use of for loop. The program repeats the action for a number of times. For loop use an extra variable. It we are to going on it initialization to panning, requirement gathering, design. It will be connected to design. Other next we will be going through on coding. Coding through will be panning, evaluation to otherwise we as to deployment. Then we will be go to panning, that will be we have to rotating this the initialization. What are the advantages and disadvantages of the loop? The main advantages of loops is brevity. Loops allows us to say a lot with many favor statement. The only disadvantages of loops that I have encountered are first using a develop a loop when a handful of discrete statements. Thank you. The main advantages of loops is it loops allows us to set a lot of many favor statements. The only disadvantage of loops that I have encountered are first using a loop when of and for discrete statements. Thank you.